Hello, I'm Katherine O'Brien Field, and this is Money Step by Step. In order to become wealthy, you need to learn to invest. But where do you get the money to invest? By redirecting your spending to eliminate money wasters. But in order to do that, you need to track your spending. Tracking your spending can be tough, so here is the easiest, cheapest, most effective way of accomplishing this task. First, get an envelope and label it with the current month. Now, for every purchase that you make for that month, get a receipt and put it in that envelope. Don't rely on your credit card statement at this point because that will not catch cash purchases. At the end of the current month, each receipt should end up in its correct category of expense. For example, food, medicine, clothing, phone. Each category should have its own pile and each receipt should be in the correct category. Now check your credit card statements and your debit card statements and be careful not to double up on expenses from the cash pile and the credit and debit card statements. Next, check any other statement that shows expense. Add up all the receipts in each category and then get a total for each category. Now, list the biggest expense of all, taxes. Those should be listed on your pay stub. Also list any deductions for benefits if you get them. Make sure you have a total now for each category. The final step is to add all of the category totals together so that you get one final number. That final total that you get, that is really what you spent for that month. Tracking your money like that, tracking every penny, that will give you the clearest possible idea as to really what is happening in your financial life. Now collect up all those receipts, all the stubs, all the statements, and put it all in the same envelope labeled for that month. Do this for the next month as well, and the next month after that. Do this for at least a 6-month period to see where your money is repeatedly, month after month, going. From this information, you will be able to figure out which expenses you can cut. And there you will have found the money you need in order to invest. Easy enough. It's not that hard.